In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can disable auto lock on iPhone. You can simply turn off the feature of your screen auto locking in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of display and brightness. On this page, scroll down onto the option of auto lock. You will have to customize and select any period of screen auto lock on your iPhone. You can just tap right here on the last option of never to disable auto lock on your iPhone. This also doesn't dim the display when you are looking at your phone screen. That's how easy it is to remove screen auto lock on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.